All right, welcome back. In this video, we get into a little bit more specifics about saving for retirement. Okay, so the most common way that people in the United States today save for retirement is through a 401k. That is probably something that you've heard of. So here can hopefully help a little bit to explain that. So 401k, this is a retirement savings plan, and it is sponsored by an employer. So this means that through your employer, through your job, that they will likely offer you access to a 401k plan for retirement. Now, one of the nice things about a 401k plan is that it is tax deferred. What that means is that you don't pay taxes on that money currently. So today, it would actually, saving money in your 401k today will cause your taxes that you owe and have to pay today to decrease. And so that is a very nice benefit. That money grows tax-free. You do, however, pay taxes upon withdrawal, but I have a future slide that will get into even more specifics about 401k. By the way, if you're a public employee, meaning you work for a government, whether it's state, local, or federal, then the tax code is called a 403b, but it's the exact same idea as a 401k. All right, one of the really nice things that some companies offer are matching contributions. This is when an employer matches the employee's 401k contribution up to an established limit. What that means is some companies will say, all right, you can put up to 5% of your check into your 401k, and for every dollar that you put in, we'll match, and we'll put $1 in as well. And so that can be a really great way to grow your money very quickly. In fact, if a company does it up to 5%, which that's on the high end, I haven't really heard of ones doing it much higher than that, but think about what that means. You save 5%, but they match that, so immediately your investment doubles in value. That is unlike any other investment opportunity that we have. So if you have an employer that offers matching contributions, that is something to definitely take advantage of. All right, so you also have another option. You could have an IRA, which stands for Individual Retirement Account. It also offers tax-deferred investments for retirement. The major difference is that whereas a 401k is set up by an employer, an IRA is set up by you, the individual person. All right, there is also a more specific kind of IRA, or individual retirement account. It is a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA, the retirement account, is funded with what's known as after-tax dollars, and then it grows tax-free. So what that means is you would contribute money to your Roth IRA with dollars that have already been taxed, and you don't ever pay taxes on that money ever again. As long as you make it until the age that is required to withdraw them penalty-free, that money grows tax-free and you don't pay taxes at the end. So that can be really, really good. The traditional IRA is nice because you lower today's taxes, but then you do pay the taxes at the end. Again, future portions of this video and other videos will get into a little bit more detail on that. That's your basic difference. It's about when you pay the taxes. All right, some people have their retirement funded through a pension. These are becoming less and less prevalent. It's primarily public sector employees like police, fire, and teachers that are most commonly the ones that have pensions still. This is a regular fixed payment made to a person during their retirement. Again, this is paid out through an account set up by their employer. So this is sometimes called a fixed benefit. So you would know exactly, I'm going to get this many dollars every month for the rest of my life as a result of having had that job. All right, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button for me. You already know this has been a La Money production.
It seems like blessings keep falling in my lap.